And how's it going, everybody? Another day, another shave. And for today's shave, we're going with the soap that I showed on my last video, Borinken Vive, from an artist from Puerto Rico. The scents are tropical drink or tropical fruits. And funny thing, it doesn't smell like any other of the fruit scented soaps that I have. It leans more like a cologne, something like that. Don't trust my nose. No, don't trust it. Obviously, you saw that I have the splash. It was a freaking really cheap on Best Tours, so I got it. And for the brush, I'm using a Numo that I got secondhand from the BST channel. This one has a M3 or M4 nut. I don't know. I'm not that big onto badger nuts. And obviously, I use one of my Cajuns to whip the lather because I have not much experience with badger, and I tend to go soft on on the soap load. So I prefer to do it on a bowl, so I have better control of the lather. For the razor, I pull out a weird one. It's been, I don't remember the last time that I used this razor. It's the Everyday Razor Stinger. Supposedly this was kind of like the last hurrah for charcoal goods after they close. The show is that this razor has a magnetic cap, has 4 magnets, and the pins to hold everything in place. And it has one side more milder than the other one. To me, it feels very mild on both sides, but that was the thing with the razor. Now let's get to the shave. I don't have much, but that that Blackbird was pretty efficient, but I still need a shave. Oh, today is a mystery for me. I don't know what's gonna happen, if I have or not work. It's just another day that you don't know what's gonna happen. This knot is very dense, very dense, and it's a 24 millimeter. I think it's this one. Is fairly small compared to the other ones that I have. Feels like a cloud, but it's very dense. For the size, it's very dense. Feels feels nice on the face, but I just prefer synthetics. They are just so much easier to work with. That's all. But I use them all. Bornon is the one that I don't use rarely. I only had 2 brushes with bore nuts. Keep working the lather. It's a new base for me, so I don't really know how it will perform, but I found the owner on Instagram. I forgot his name, my apologies. I found the owner on Instagram, and he's been honing straight razors for 40 years, I believe. So I'm gonna guess if he made a soap, should be good enough for straight razor shaving. So we'll see. Should be good. I believe this is a tallow based soap too. Looking very well hydrated. Yeah, looking very well hydrated. That was pretty fast. Now, obviously, I'm gonna do my slick test. To be honest, I don't even remember which side. I think this is the ones supposed to be the aggressive. Let's see. But like I said, it's very mild. Oh yeah, it's pretty slick. I have it here. It's pretty slick. Oh yeah. Honestly, feels very thick slickness. Like if I had a coat of oil on the skin, on top of the skin. Very, very thick slickness. Yes. Something different, to be honest. Usually my slickness feels like, okay, slick, but you know, kind of, let me try the other side. Yep. Yep, very mild. Not much blade feel at all. Yep, still slick on that side. Yeah. Yeah, this is a razor I can fly with. Very, very mild feeling. Not much blade feel. Now this razor, when it came out, there was a little bit of drama because Charcoal Goods stopped making razors, and out of nowhere comes this company every day. And they start talking, you know, the razor is called Everyday. There was a model of Charcoal Goods called Everyday. So a lot of people took it the wrong way, and to be honest, I don't know if it is true or not. I don't really give it too much thought because I just enjoy the razor and that's it. And I like the design. It's different. It was the first one that I saw with with magnets on the head, so I took it. And a lot of people found it weird that they were claiming that their machinists used to have had a lot of experience and used to work in charcoal goods or something like that. So a lot of people found it weird. You know, like somebody trying to claim the name or the fame of charcoal goods. So I guess it didn't went well for them. And they closed. You cannot get these razors now. You don't really see them. Very mild. Oh, also I'm using the buzz cut. You probably saw it on the video, but I didn't mention it. I think this is the third use of this blade. Still very smooth. I can buff away with this razor. It's so mild. No, I don't remember how efficient it is. It's made out of aluminum, so it's fairly light. Seems to be cutting. Excuse me. Let's see how well we're doing. Soap leaks is very slick, so no problems with that. A little left on the mustache. And on my neck, which is my usual trouble spot. So a little nick there. I have lather on my thingies. Let's see. Probably gonna say that it's not as efficient as other razors that I use, but it's doing the job. But couple of few nicks, but nothing nothing compared to the Asylum. Very smooth going across my neck. Very smooth. And I've been keeping the milder side, or what I believe to be the milder side on this side, and the aggressive one in this one, to see if I notice any difference. Yeah, it's not getting everything out. Mustache. Still very slick, so that soap is working fine. Yeah, not too efficient this side. Let me switch it to the aggressive side and see. You can hear it picking up more. So there is a difference. Yeah, almost. feels better now, but still a little bit there. But I'm not gonna chase it because I already have a few small nicks. Nothing, nothing to worry about. I didn't even feel them or anything. It's a very, very mild razor. Lacks efficiency compared to a lot of my razors, to be honest. But I love the design, it's different. And it still does the job. It's not as good as all others. Also, it could be off since I don't use it. Because I noticed writing the cap, I needed to write the cap better. So it was more efficient. But overall, it was a good shave. Now, that soap. The base is very slick. Oh yeah. Very, very slick. And I put the splash yesterday on my hand just to smell it throughout the day. And it lasts a long time. A very, very long time for a splash. Shaking it, of course. You gotta shake it all the time. Gotta shake it. Oh, let's see. I'll probably get some burn. Yep. Little tingle. I know it has some tobacco, some fruits and tobacco, and I need more. I feel like I need more. Wow, it dries very fast. Smells good. It's different from other tropical soaps that I have. It was a nice shave. Not the best that I've had, but it's cool. It's, you know, it's fun to pull out something weird from time to time. To change it up, like the asylum. Yeah, but it was a nice shave. I had to see how my skin reacts after it really goes back to normal. But so far, very nice. Very nice. Now, the splash took out the slickness of the base. So I'm dry, but I'm still slick. Not sticky or super slick, but I'm still smooth. It's different from others that I have, the other soaps that I have. Because it just dry my skin. But still smooth. Not slick, like with just the soap. What's this? Some stubble left over. I cannot even feel them. I'm not even gonna chase it. I'm gonna shave tomorrow anyway, so. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.